Hey, it's Jess from Head to Toe Health. Just going to run through ways of rolling the foot. So this is a lacrosse ball. You can use something like a high bounce ball or a golf ball. They just probably tend to be a bit slippery and can roll out from under the foot depending on what surface you're working on. So this is a lacrosse ball from the Foot Collective. It's quite good because it's got a little bit of rubber on it, so it's got a bit more grip. So what we're going to do is start by rolling across the balls of the foot. So do a few rolls there, keeping the heel on the ground if you can, and you're trying to roll the foot over the ball, so you're really trying to open up through the toes. So do a few of those, maybe 6. Then you're going to run to the middle, so more over the middle of the foot or the arch of the foot. So that one's a bit more difficult to keep that heel onto the ground, but see how you go. It'll just depend on ankle range. And then we're going to go onto the heel. So you're going to roll around the heel. If you're tender here, if there's a bit of plantar fasciitis or something like that, then you can avoid that spot directly, but go around that spot. So you can put the toes or the balls of the foot on the ground and roll across the heel. So you've got those main 3 areas, the front, the middle, and the back. So you can roll forwards and backwards over that spot. It's really good for your balance and proprioception on the ankles as well. So from there, we're then going to roll through the inside of the foot, through the main part of the arch. So you do about 6 in that position and get as much weight on there as you can. You might be able to come off the ground on that back foot. Depends on how much pressure you can tolerate. So then from the inside, we go across to the middle. So same thing, we'll do 6 along the middle. Might be some gristly bits through here, and you can take more weight through there if you feel comfortable to do that. And then you're going to go 6 through the outside of the foot.